Yo, more time me there yard and me hear some story and some things that irritate the fuck out of me. I tell you in a time, make me pray away. Now you have some elders in them days after them do all them time and serve the youths them of this country. And in them time now where them feel relax, you have liquor youth now come out antagonize the people them. I try for bomb buckle me the people them I pay them all sort of tax, all sort of extortion, fuckery to the elder them, cut off people light, cut off people water, and they don't own the bomb buckle. Yeah, them property them with the people them in you know. But them want to control the people. Yo, more chop off someone's face, someone that you not even know. But violence begot more violence, so I can't even check that way then either. So I beg the youth them, yo, know yourself, man. Respect the elders and show them some respect now. In them days, you know, in them late days, make them live it out comfortable, man. You have youth full strength, but do some bumper clock work, man, and help on yourself. A Jamaica, this is not so much big car drive out on the road. That means some money there you can make. So it's a bumper cloth and the cap that you can do something for phone yourself. You have to stress an elder, but probably I'll live on pension. I probably not even have nothing at all because you don't know government system set boy. Youth, now we're gonna do better, be. Love the elder people, love the people on a whole, but especially love the fucking elders them, dog. You're working a bad man. Someone can't even control a woman, someone can't even control in a heart. Girl broken out in a ball and want to chop off girl heads. What kind of bad man is you know? But you know want to come bomb buckler, harass the elders them, but pay them dues already. Yo, them things piss me off, dog. And if you allow the people them now, man. I have some people in a cash park, some youth on a cash park, especially when I hear about hard. Me I ask, uno for chill.